Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of HORIBA Yumizen E60 tri-level control. The reference number of this kit is 4000065507 3 into 1 ml. Here we can see the description. Yumizen E60 tri-level control is used for confirming the accuracy of the electrolyte analyzer that measures sodium, potassium, chloride and ionized calcium. In here we can see the assay values of level 1 and level 2 and level 3. Here we can see the lot number, manufacturing date and the expiry date. The manufacturing address shows HORIBA India Private Limited from Maharashtra, India. So the origin of the kit is India. Here we can see the back view. I'm going to unpack this for your reference. Here we can see the tri controls. I'm going to take this out. After we can see HORIBA Yumizen E60 tri controls. This is a back view. Here we can see the front view. The blue represents level 1, green represents level 2 and red represents level 3. I am going to take this level 1. HORIBA Yumizen E60 control level 1. Reference number 4000065512. A volume of 1 ml. Here we can store at normal temperature 15 degrees Celsius to 13 degrees Celsius. I'm going to keep this aside. And next is HORIBA Yumizen E60 control level 2. A volume of 1 ml. Store at normal temperature 15 degrees Celsius to 13 degrees Celsius. The reference number 4000065513. This is a level 2 control. And next one is HORIBA Yumizen E60 control level 3. A volume of 1 ml. The reference number 4000065514. Store at normal temperature 15 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about HORIBA Yumizen E60 tri-level control. This kit contains a 3 into 1 ml. The reference number of this kit is 4000065507. A level 1 ml and level 2 1 ml and level 3 1 ml. Here is a overall view of this product. Thank you.